I'm so excited about the progress of this camper. Got the insulation in last night for most of it. Got 4 big pieces left, the hardest pieces, I think. And everything is on outside, added a rain guard. It's very exciting stuff. I'm holding it all in till it's done. I'm so excited. Taking its maiden voyage tonight. It's exciting. It'd be even more exciting if it was with my bicycle, but I'm thankful that I get to try it out. And I'm going to show you guys a quick glimpse of it, but be sure to watch the rest coming soon. It's exciting stuff. I'm excited, at least. Here it is. What I'll finish my US tour with. Very exciting. Taking its maiden. Just like that, it just started hailing. Hail test underway. Three. I'm very impressed with it. The garage did an awesome job on it. It's a lot heavier than I anticipated, but it's not really. It's about exactly where I planned, but it's gonna take me a few days to get used to it, for sure, as I'm riding it now with my fully loaded bike, but it's one pedal at a time.